350 grams tofu. Turmeric, salt, paprika, oregano, garam masala, dry mango powder, and 1 teaspoon avocado. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes. There's a sofrito. I already made it. If you want to know how to make it, you can find the link in the description box below. The Spanish I'm sofrito. Going to do the second marinade. Perfect. Like that for at least 1 hour. Scallion, parsley, mint leaves. Yes, perfect. Onion, lemon, garlic, ginger, garlic powder, garlic knobs, salt, paprika, roasted cumin powder, black pepper powder, red chilli. After 1 hour, I'm going to shallow fry. Avocado oil, almost 2 tablespoons. Cooking after 4 minutes on a high heat. We're going to change the side. Garlic, adding some more oil, adding onion, ginger. Cooking after 4 minutes on medium heat, I am going to add dry spices. Mix it well. Fresh lime juice. 40 seconds, I am going to add almost 1 cup sofrito. Superb. Cooking after 6 minutes on slow to medium heat, I am going to add scallion, mint leaves, parsley, onion and ginger. I'm adding shallow fried tofu. Add some more lime juice. I'm smashing a tofu by using a fork. Adding more parsley, scallion, lemon slice and fresh avocado. Mix it well. Here I'm taking out chipotle from the pan to prepare rice now. On same pan I'm adding boiled rice, green stuff. Once the boiled rice nice and hot, turn off the heat, then it's gonna ready for serve.